Hello Plannerettes, and welcome to this video. I am going to be unboxing, or rather unwrapping, my Hobonichi A5 Cousin planner for 2026, and I also did purchase a plastic cover for it to protect the cover. This is from the Midori brand, and it's the MD Notebook Cover Journal A5 Codex, 1 day, 1 page. So just do be mindful, there are two versions of the plastic cover from Midori. This one will allow for a thicker spine, so just make sure, because the other one is for a thinner notebook or a thinner planner. Now, if you did want to check out my Hobonichi Amazon affiliate link, do check the description below. I'll have the links for that as well. So now, I asked in the community whether I should buy myself a Hobonichi cover, and a resounding 67% of you said go for it. Why not? I did buy myself a Hobonichi back in 2024. I didn't stick with it for the whole year, and so that was sort of my hesitation about getting one for 2026. But I really want to go and grab one, more so for my journaling, my feelings and thoughts, brain dumping, and I think this will be great to have all of that in one planner for a whole year. Now, I also asked the same question on Instagram, whether I should get one or not, and my followers there said 71%, so said go for it. So I didn't realize until later that I had actually purchased the Japanese version. It is a Monday start, but that's okay, because I do cover at the bottom of the daily pages their quotes in Japanese, but I normally cover them with washi tape anyway, so I'm fine that it is the Japanese version. But I wanted to make sure that it is a Monday start, because I do like to start my new week on a Monday. So let's get right into it. So as I said, I did purchase one at the end of 2023. I wasn't aware before then about Hobonichi. I started seeing it on, of course, Instagram and other people, setting up their new planner for the new year. And so, I get highly influenced, very much so. And so let's quickly have a look. So there's nothing else in there. And then you get this little brochure that is so cute, with a little robot and all the different graphics. So I might hold on to this, because these are little great images that I could either cut out and use to embellish maybe my cover page or the inside. Ooh, and there's a dot picture. Wonder what that's for. Oh, and then you can color in there. We'll have to have a look at what it could be. I wonder what it could be. It'd be exciting. So I won't cut it up yet until I have completed this little dot picture, and this will be a great self-care activity. Maybe putting the timer on for 10 minutes and coloring one color at a time, but we'll see. So that's a nice little activity there. But they're so cute, the little graphics that's on there. So let's hang on to that, but we'll put that aside. And so I won't do a flip through today, because I want to do a Hobonichi 2026 series or playlist. And as I start setting it up, grab the camera, put it on record, and video it for you. So then that way, if you too are going to be using Hobonichi Cousin for the new year, you can plan along with me. Look, I am a newbie to this. I mean, I did use it in 2024, but I'm not as versed as a lot of those planners you see on Instagram or on YouTube that have been using a Hobonichi for a number of years. So this is the Midori. Once again, let me show you. This is the little sleeve that came at the front. Just make sure, if you are getting the Hobonichi A5 Cousin, not the Hon. The Hon, I think, is a hard cover, nor the AVEX. The AVEX breaks the year into two notebooks or two planners. This one, for a full year, has a thicker spine. So you need to make sure the plastic cover will allow for that. And so just double check. You can do a screenshot. So it's MD Notebook Cover Journal A5 Codex, 1 day, 1 page. Okay, so I'll hang on to that. and then it's got the little cardboard on the inside. So the way you would put the cover on, so then you can attach it with grace and not try and fight with it. So with your Hobonichi, you want to grab the cover and the front and back page. So let's do that. And you want it to flip it this way. It's okay. See how the spine bends naturally, so you're not wrecking the spine of it. It is made to sit flat on the page, so you are not going to wreck the spine of the planner. So you want to flip it this way. Let me just move everything. And this is the best way for you to attach your plastic covering. So you want the little pen loop. I like to have mine at the back of the page. So you just slide in the back end into that little sleeve. So just ease a little bit of it first, and then do the same with the front cover and just slide it into that sleeve. I'm trying to do it so then you can see on camera, otherwise I would just do it flat. And then just push the spine in until you get the cover go into that little pocket sleeve fully. All right, and now that's all plush at the edges. And then now you can go and flip it back onto itself. Now there is a little bit of space here, but that's okay, because as you start adding stickers, washi tapes, or doing any drawing, if you want to do any watercoloring, it's going to get thicker, and that will allow for it to accommodate. So let's quickly have a look. I'll show you my 2024. So I was only in this for until March. And then I sort of stopped using it in May, June. So let me just show you the difference. So see how really it was just halfway through the book, and it starts to get quite thick. And so the MD notebook cover, the Codex version, will allow for your planner to grow and expand and get chunky. And so then as that grows, you need that spine, that room in there. So then of course you can close it and it's not like folding on itself. So that's quite good. So that is how I'm going to have my Hobonichi 2026 A5 Cousin with the Midori plastic cover. I will embellish it, like I've seen a lot of Hobonichi owners go and embellish the front and back with stickers. So I'll go and curate a few different stickers that I have, see what I can add to it. But for the Hobonichi 2024, I actually had it with a cover and a cover on cover, like a fabric cover. But what I want to do for this one is add it to my A5 Filofax planner. But again, that'll be part of the Hobonichi 2026 setup series, where I'll show you where I'm going to keep this. So I have a Filofax A5 organizer that can accommodate a notebook as well as a ring planner. So it's going to have that hybrid opportunity. So that is it for today, showing you my Hobonichi unwrapping from its packet, and then putting the plastic cover on it to protect it. And then probably the next one is we might do a quick flip through, and I will show you the different printable that I will add into it to accommodate a future log as well as a habit tracker for each and every month. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, if you like this video, make sure to tap that thumbs up button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and follow along if you are also going to be having a Hobonichi A5 Cousin for the year of 2026. Bye everybody. Bye-bye.